In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add daily tasks in Google Calendar 2025, step by step. We're going to set up a simple daily task system right inside Google Calendar using the built-in Tasks panel. This is perfect if you want a clean routine you can see alongside your schedule without juggling separate apps. I'll walk you through creating a dedicated daily list, adding tasks with helpful details, and marking them complete so you can track progress at a glance. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and signing in. On the right-hand side of the screen, look for the small side panel with icons. Click the blue circle icon with a check mark. That's Google Tasks. If you don't see the panel, tap the little arrow at the bottom right to expand it. At the top of the Tasks panel, you'll see the current list name with a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the menu, then choose Create New List. Give your new list a clear name, type daily, and confirm by clicking Done. This creates a dedicated space just for your day-to-day actions, which keeps them separate from other projects and helps you stay focused. Now, let's add your first task. Click Add a Task and type a short, action-focused title. For example, Report. Keep titles concise so they're easy to scan. After naming it, click Details to expand the task. Use this space to add helpful notes like invoicing or specific to-dos you want to remember. The details field is great for context. You don't want cluttering the title, and it ensures you know exactly what done looks like when you come back to it later. To build out your routine, click Add a task again and repeat the process for each item you want in your daily list. You can add as many tasks as you need. If it helps, group similar actions and use the details area to list quick checkpoints. The key is consistency. Short titles, clear notes, and a list that reflects what you actually do every day. As you work through your day, come back to the task panel and mark items complete by clicking the circle next to each task. Completed tasks will tuck away neatly so you have a record of what you finished without cluttering your active list. If you ever need to revisit a task, you can uncheck it to bring it back. That's it. Your daily list is live in Google Calendar, ready to guide your routine and keep your focus where it matters.